How to replace IntelliROL Motorized Roller. These are the items required. Safety. Always lock out power source and follow recommended safety procedures. Disconnect the IntelliROL Motorized Roller wire from the driver card. Remove the IntelliROL Motorized Roller bracket. Remove one roller on each side of the IntelliROL Motorized Roller and release the rollers from the O-rings. Remove the IntelliROL Motorized Roller and the O-rings. Pull the IntelliROL Motorized Roller wire free from the side channel. In reverse order, replace the O-rings on the new IntelliROL Motorized Roller and reinstall. Use a putty knife to shift the roller and protect the finish until the axle springs into the hex hole. Reinstall the two side rollers by placing the rollers back through the O-rings on the IntelliROL Motorized Roller and the O-rings on the corresponding side rollers. Use a putty knife to shift the roller and protect the finish until the axle springs into the hex hole. Reinstall the IntelliROL Motorized Roller bracket. Torque the two hex nuts to 2.2 foot-pounds, plus or minus 10%. Reconnect the wire to the driver card. For more maintenance videos, visit MHS-Conveyor.com.